Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. All are warm welcome to our online class. My dears, we have completed the first term of our academic year and we have written the examination. In not too distant future, your result will be published. Okay? Yes. Today, our discussion is about decimal fraction, the chapter number 7, decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. We have studied the fraction, we have studied the decimal number. Previous class, 5th class, we have studied the what is decimal number, the comparison of decimal number, the like decimal number and the unlike decimal number, and the addition of decimal number, subtraction of decimal number. Okay, here we just remind the important points related with the decimal number. What is decimal number? What is a decimal fraction? Sure. Can you? Yes. There is an example. A line AB. The length of the line. Can you see in the scale, page number 82? There is a line AB with the scale, it 4 centimeter, not 5 centimeter. It is more than 4 centimeter and less than 5 centimeter. More than 4 centimeter, less than 5 centimeter. Then how can you say the correct length of that line? ഇവിടെ ഒരു ലൈൻ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നു. ആ ലൈൻ 4 സെന്റിമീറ്ററിനേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലും 5 സെന്റിമീറ്ററിനേക്കാൾ താഴെയുമാണ്. Then how can you say the length of the line? Yes. Then the centimeter is, and centimeter is, there are 10 small divisions. 10 small divisions. Yes. Then we can count the each divisions. How many divisions are there in the length? Then it can be seen that the length of the line exceeded from the 4th to the 1 division of the next 10th divisions. I mean, 4-ൽ നിന്നും ഒരു പോയിന്റ് അകലെ അങ്ങോട്ട് ഈ ലെങ്ത് നീങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നു. Then it is written as 4 1/10. 4 1/10. How? എന്തുകൊണ്ട് 4 1/10 എന്ന് എഴുതുന്നു? Because there is 4 centimeter. 4 1/10 centimeter. 4 centimeter. More than 4 centimeter, less than 5 centimeter. Then the centimeter can be split into how many divisions? 10 divisions. Then there are only 1 division. The length is 4.4 and it moved only 1 division of 10th. So it can be written 1/10. 1/10. Then 4 1/10. This is a mixed fraction. How can you write this as a decimal number? Yes, it is very simple. Then we used this 4.1 centimeter. We used here 4.1 centimeter. The length of this line AB is 4.1 centimeter. Okay. Then my question, what is the decimal number here? Which is the decimal number here? This or this? Sure, this is the decimal number. This is the decimal fraction. How? This point This point, it is known as decimal point. This point is decimal point. There are two parts to decimal number. There are two parts, which is one part is whole number part, second part is fractional part. Okay, this one is fractional part, because 1 by 10, instead of 1 by 10 we write only 1. Instead of 1 by 10 we write only 1.1. Okay, then this is the fractional part, this is the whole number part, and the decimal point separate the whole number from the fractional part. Okay, this is the decimal number. Then which are the places of the decimal number? Places of place value you can use. You can see the place values of decimal number. Yes, place value chart of decimal number. Place value chart, page number 83. It is very important. Okay, place value chart. There are 323.456, not 456. It is not correct. Then you have to read 4.456. 456, because this 4 in the place of 1 by 10, this 5 is in 1 by 100, this 6 is in the place of 1 by 1000. Okay. The place values of these digits. Here 3 at the place of 100, 2 at the place of 10, 3 at the place of 1. This 4 at the place of tenths, 1/10, 1/10. You can read the small letter, whatever maybe, tenths. This 5 hundredths, this 6 thousandths. Okay, this tenths, this hundredths, this thousandths. It means this is at the place of tens, means 1 by 10. The place value 1 by 10. Here 1 by 100. Here 1 by 1000. It's very important. We have studied in the 5th class. I just remind you. Okay. Yes. You can say tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Thousandth. Okay. Decimal point. Yes. Then, how can you read the how can you write the expanded notation of any number? Expanded notation of this number. Can you? Expanded notation of this number? Simple. Expanded notation. 300 plus 2, 20 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 by 10, 5 by 100, 6 by 1000. This is the expanded notation. You can, this is the decimal, sorry, this is the fraction. Then you can write the decimal. How can? Yes, 300 plus 2, 20 plus 3 plus 0.4 plus 0.05 plus 0.006. This is the expanded form of expanded notation of this number. Expanded notation of this number. Do you understand? It's very important. My question, how it is this 4 here 0.4. This 5 here 0.05. This 6 here 0.006. It is very important to understand. Okay, we have studied this part in our previous class, 5th class. Okay, I just remind you, please listen here. Here 4. Here 4. It is at the place of tens. Then you just put, we have studied the to convert the fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. Here first we have converted this into fraction and after that into decimal. What will do? Here 4 by 10. Then we just look at the zeros of the denominator. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലുള്ള സീറോകൾ നോക്കുക. ഇവിടെ ഒരു സീറോ ആണുള്ളത്. Then we have to write the numerator first. Then എത്ര സീറോ ആണോ ഉള്ളത് അത്ര ഡിജിറ്റുകൾ വിട്ട് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് കൊടുക്കുക. ഇവിടെ ഒറ്റ സീറോ ഉള്ളൂ, അതുകൊണ്ട് 4 കഴിഞ്ഞ ഉടനെ 4ന്റെ തൊട്ട് മുമ്പായിട്ട് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് കൊടുക്കും. പിന്നെ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ ഇല്ലാത്ത കാരണത്താൽ, ഇവിടെ ഹോൾ നമ്പർ ആയിട്ടൊന്നും ഇല്ലാത്ത കാരണത്താൽ 0 കൊടുക്കും. 0.4. ഇവിടെയോ, ഇവിടെ 5/100 ആണ്. 5/100, ഈ 100ൽ എത്ര സീറോ ഉണ്ട്? 2 0. Then we have to put the decimal point before 2 digits. Then numerator 5. Then we have to put the point before 2 digits. So we write as 0. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ഒരു 0 എക്സ്ട്രാ വന്നത്. എന്നിട്ട് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇടുന്നു. പിന്നെ 0 ഹോൾ നമ്പർ ആയിട്ടൊന്നും ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് 0 കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഹോൾ നമ്പർ പാർട്ട് ഇല്ല, ഒൺലി ഡെസിമൽ ഫ്രാക്ഷണൽ പാർട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വൈ 0. ദെൻ ഹിയർ ഡെസിമൽ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ 3 0 ഉണ്ട്, അതുകൊണ്ട് 3 സംഖ്യകൾക്ക് മുമ്പാണ് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് വരേണ്ടത്. ഇവിടെ ഒരു 6 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, അതുകൊണ്ട് 2 0 കൂടി കൊടുത്തു, എന്നിട്ട് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് ഇട്ടു. ഓക്കെ, we have studied this in 5th class. Yes. Then next one, representing decimals on number line. How can you represent the decimals on number line? Example, represent 3.9 on the number line. There is the answer also. It is very simple. Since 3.9 lies between 3 and 4, it is sure 3.9 എവിടെയായിരിക്കും? 3ന്റെയും 3യുടെയും 4ന്റെയും ഇടയിലായിരിക്കും. It is why so divide the smallest between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts. Okay, 3യുടെയും 4ന്റെയും ഇടയിലുള്ള ലെങ്ത് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് 10 ചെറിയ ഭാഗങ്ങളാക്കുക. Then the 9th point to the right from right of 3 is 3.9. Question, 3.9 നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേഷൻ ചെയ്യാനാണ്. ഇവിടെ 3 4, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ 10. Just imagine 10 പോയിന്റുകൾ. Okay, then 3. Okay, this is 3. Then 3.9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then this is the point 3.9. Here this is the 3.9. Okay, representation of 3.9 in number line. This 3, this 4, then 5 here, 6, 10 points after the 10 points. Then 3.9 is here, 3.9. Okay. Yes. Then comparison of decimals. It is very important. We have studied in details in our 5th class. Okay. Comparison of decimals. Do you remember we compared whole numbers by placing them in the place values chart? The same rules are applicable to decimals. Rule 1. If the decimals has an integral part, the decimal number with the greater integral part will be greater. Rule number 2. To compare the decimal parts, compare the digits on the extreme left, the 10th place. If they are equal, then compare to the 100th place, and so on. The decimal fraction with the greater digit in the same place is greater. Okay, very simple. There is an example. 0.59 and 0.48. Compare. How can you compare? Yes, first, if there is whole number, if there are whole number part, then compare the whole number part as we studied previous classes. Okay, if there is 5 and here 6, just imagine here 5, here 6, then this is the largest number. You just look, you don't want any other watching. You don't want any other researching for the comparison of these two numbers. If the whole number is one is largest and another is smallest, then the largest number is sure it is. Okay. Listen here. Here there is no whole number, then we cannot compare the whole number. Then after that, whole number illengil, aduttadu nammal next step, we have to compare the digits at the place of tenths. 1/10, here 1/10, here 1/100, place values 1/10, 1/100. Okay, then this 5, we have to compare this 1 by the digits in the place of 1/10 and 1/10 here. Okay, then here 5, here 4, here 5, here 4. Then 5 is larger than 4. Okay, 4 is smaller than 5. Then we can write this is the biggest, largest number, 0.59, 0.48. Okay, you understand? There is no whole number. Then we compare the next 10th digit, next the digits in the place of 10th. Okay, this is the rules of comparison. Then it is very simple to arrange it in ascending order and a descending order. Okay, there is ascending and a descending order of decimals. Example 1, arrange the following decimals in ascending order: 0.2, 0.963, 0.84, 0.12, 0.97. Since the integral part are equal, then compare the tens digits. If they are also equal, then compare the hundreds digits, and so on. Okay, please listen here. If you compare these two digits, two numbers, decimal number, how can you? First 0, here 0, so equal. Here then we compare this and this. Then here 5, here 5, equal. Then here 6, next digits. Here 6, here also 6, then equal. Then next digits, here 5, here 9. Then this is largest. This is largest. Okay, then it is very simple to arrange in ascending order and descending order. Exercise 7.1 for you. There are 4 questions. Sorry, 7 questions. 7th question. First question, fill in the blanks with the signs of largest and smallest. Then second question, arrange the following in ascending order. Third question, arrange the following in descending order. Fourth question, on a abacus, mark the following decimals and also write its number name. Number name. Next. Fifth question, represent the following decimals on a number line. Sixth, write the following in expanded notation. Write the following in expanded notation. Seventh question, write the place values of the underlined digits. Okay, there are numbers and some digits are underlined, and you have to write the place value of underlined digits. Okay, you have to write down in your notebook to complete the exercise 1.7. okay, 7.1, and after that you have to send in our WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, to stop here. Today we have studied about the decimal numbers, decimal fraction, and what is decimal fraction, what is decimal point, what is fractional part and whole number part, and the place values of decimal number, and the comparison of decimal number, and the ascending order and descending order. Okay, yes, let us stop here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.